our first snow in Indiana very early in November. So I'm gonna go check on the chickens. I need to put one more tarp on there because there's snow inside their coop. But also, it's below freezing. So I don't want the eggs to freeze. So let's go. Okay, it snowed a whole lot. If they're up my little path, they are not feeling it. I don't believe. I don't think they're a fan. And I don't see the black chicken. Okay, let's get y'all a snack. They're not even trying to escape. Focus. I know, y'all don't like the snow. Okay. There's that. Well, I left my egg basket, so. Hopefully. Let this water. Yep. Not frozen. Blackie. Hey, Mama. Can you not stand on the thing? Alright, well, no one's laid an egg yet, so no eggs. Okay, I got one egg. It's very cold, but it's not frozen yet because it would crack. So, and one of them is in the nesting boxes right now, so I'm gonna go back in like an hour, see if she's laid, and collect that egg before it freezes. Okay, it was a couple hours later than normal, but I did end up getting 4 eggs from all the chickens. So the black chicken does not lay eggs yet, so they complied even with the weather.